Welcome to Landscapes in Watercolour. This book is here to take you on an exciting watercolour journey from deep midwinter snows to a sunny coastal waterfront. It is suitable for all abilities, from complete beginners to more experienced artists. Each page in this book is filled with handy tips that will guide your watercolour journey. Learn to recreate the essence of a beautiful landscape quickly and simply using the book's handy guides to tools and materials, composition, colour theory, perspective, and essential drawing and painting techniques. Interspersed throughout the tutorials are 3 specialist masterclasses covering trees, skies and water. Designed to speed your progress into the world of watercolour painting and set you on a path of your own painting journey. Unlock your own creative potential with Landscapes in Watercolour, and most importantly, remember to experiment and have fun along the way.